On the historic date of July 20th, 1969, a global audience was captivated as two American astronauts, Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin, embarked on an unprecedented venture, marking the first human footsteps on the moon. Adorned in cumbersome spacesuits and reliant on oxygen-laden backpacks, Armstrong and Aldrin's lunar stroll echoed Armstrong's iconic words, "That's one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind." This monumental achievement was the culmination of a series of space firsts, starting with the launch of the first artificial satellite, Sputnik 1, by Russia in 1957. The United States responded with its own satellite launches, fueled by the aspiration to send humans into space. The breakthrough came in 1961 when Yuri Gagarin, a Soviet cosmonaut, became the first person in space, swiftly followed by the United States' Alan Shepard less than a month later. These pioneering moments set the stage for an audacious goal set by President John F. Kennedy. In 1969, NASA, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, undertook the challenge to land a human on the moon within a decade. The selected astronauts for this historic mission were Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins, who embarked on their journey aboard Apollo 11. As the spacecraft approached the moon's surface, a critical separation occurred. Collins remained aboard Apollo 11's command module, Columbia, while Armstrong and Aldrin descended in the lunar module, Eagle. The Eagle executed a daring landing in the Sea of Tranquility, a detail unbeknownst to most viewers who witnessed the historic event on television. Armstrong's iconic small step marked the commencement of human exploration on the lunar landscape, while Aldrin swiftly joined him. The astronauts planted the United States flag and left a plaque symbolizing their peaceful mission. President Richard Nixon congratulated the triumphant crew. Their mission extended beyond the symbolic flag planting. Armstrong and Aldrin diligently collected moon rocks and dust, demonstrating humanity's ability to conduct scientific exploration beyond Earth. After over 2 hours, the astronauts returned to the lunar module, carrying 47 pounds of lunar samples, and prepared to rendezvous with Collins for their journey back to Earth. On July 24, 1969, the Apollo 11 crew safely returned, marking the end of an era that saw 10 more astronauts follow in their lunar footsteps until the last moon mission in 1972. Despite the absence of human return missions to the moon, the legacy of Apollo 11 endures. The International Space Station, ISS, stands as a testament to ongoing human space exploration, enabling in-depth scientific studies and experiments. Looking ahead, NASA's gaze is fixed on a new frontier, Mars. Propelled by the success of the Apollo 11 moon landing, NASA holds a hopeful outlook on future space exploration. The monumental achievement of placing 3 individuals on the moon, coupled with their safe return, has underscored the viability and success of human exploration beyond our home planet.